Matthew 14. That time, Herod wey dey rule hear about Jesus. So he come tell him servant say, "This na John the Baptist wey wake up from death. Na him make am get power to do all this miracle." Before this time, Herod don arrest John put for prison because John dey accuse am say he marry Herodias wey be him brother Philip wife. Herod can't get mind to kill John, but he dey fear the people because them believe say John na prophet. So for Herod birthday, Herodias' daughter dance well, come make Herod happy. So te Herod come promise say he go give am anything we ask for. Just as him mama tell am, the girl come say, "Make you give me John the Baptist head for tray." The thing pain the king well, but as he don't promise and because of the people wey come the party, he can't command make them go kill John. So he send him soldiers go cut John head for inside prison. Then bring the head for tray come give the girl, and he carry am go give him mama. Then John disciples come carry him body go bury, and them come go tell Jesus wetin happen. When Jesus hear wetin happen, he comot the enter boat come go where people not dey. But when people from different town hear where he go, them come follow am. As he come down from the boat, he see plenty people, so he's sorry for them, come heal all the people wey not well among them. When evening reach, him disciples come meet am say, "This place na wilderness, and day don dey dark. Make you send these people go find food buy for themselves inside the village." Jesus answer, "Them no need to go. Make una find something give them chop." Them come tell am, "Na only 5 bread and 2 fish we get for here." Jesus answer them again, "Make una bring the bread and fish come." Then he tell the people make them sit down for the grass. He take the 5 bread and 2 fish, face heaven, come thank God. After he done thank God, he share the bread give him disciples, make them give the people. All of them chop belleful. And when them gather the food wey remain, he reach 12 basket. The people wey chop now about 5,000 men, even though them no count women and children join. After Jesus don't send the people go their house, he can't tell him disciples make them enter boat, cross go the other side. After the people don't go, Jesus can't climb go mountain, go pray. He stay there go reach evening. By this time, the boat don't go far from land. Strong wave can they carry the boat up and down because heavy breeze they blow. For early morning, Jesus come dey waka go meet him disciples on top the water. When the disciples see him dey waka on top water, fear catch am. Dem come dey shake, dey shout, "Na ghost oh!" But Jesus tell them, "Make una heart strong, na me, make una not fear." Na him Peter answer, "Oga God, if na you true, call me make I come meet you for the water." So Jesus tell am, "Make you come." Peter come out from the boat, come dey waka on top the water go meet Jesus. But when he see as the breeze strong reach, fear catch him and he come begin sink. So he shout, "Oga God, save me oh!" At once, Jesus stretch him hand catch him, come tell him, "Your faith too small, why you dey doubt me?" When the 2 of them don't enter the boat, the breeze can't stop. Then the other disciples for the boat come bow down for Jesus' front, worship him, say, True, you be God pikin." When them don't cross the river go the other side, them come land for Gennesaret. When the people for them know say na Jesus, them send message go all their village. Then them come bring all the people wey no well come meet am. They beg am say make the people wey no well touch your dress, and all of them wey touch am come well.
This na Greywood whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.